Hey, I'm Sueanne, and I was in Vegas after staying out all night at the casino, and I walked through the shopping area, and I was stopped by a representative from Truffoire, and she pointed out my puffy under eyes, which at first I was a little insulted, but I knew they were puffy because I stayed out, and she tried this amazing product on me, which I have now fallen in love with. It was the Black Truffle Instant Repair Syringe. And I looked at my eyes almost immediately after she did them, and I couldn't believe I didn't have puffiness anymore. So my husband was with me, and normally he's a skeptic, and he said right away, "You need to buy that." I purchased it, and while I was there, I also purchased the day and night moisturizer and cream, and I am absolutely in love with this product. I know it's a little on the pricey side, but I have purchased expensive products before. I was using Crème de la Mer, Sunday Riley. I've used Lancome, Chanel, you name it. I've tried the product. So price wise, I wasn't as afraid to spend the money. It was more about I didn't know the product. And now that I do, I would recommend it to any of my friends. And I definitely will continue to use this product because I can definitely see the benefits. My skin looks really good, and I'm very happy with the way it works.